I know. Everybody's got a barn find, right? Well, I guess this is what you'd call a garage find. It's a 1971 Ford Ranchero. This came with a property that I recently bought. And there's a long history with this. I knew this car back in 1977, 76, 77. I used to work for a guy that owned a body shop, and he had restored this car back then. It was originally maroon, and he painted it blue metallic. And one evening after it was done, took it out and took out a whole bunch of a stone wall, I believe, if memory serves me right, and ended up hitting a tree or a telephone pole, planted it halfway back in the hood. It was hit so hard that it actually bent the rear end of the car. It pushed the motor and transmission back. He actually got a Ford Fairlane, if I remember correctly, cut the nose off of that, and cut the bent up nose off of this, and he put the two together. Got them all welded together. I don't really know anything more of the history of it after that, other than it's obvious that he had put a new drivetrain in it, and never actually finished the car.